Hello, viewers. I am Sujata, Associate Professor working at Women's College, Kolar. This presentation is for final BSc 5th semester students of Bengaluru North University. This is related to Chemistry Paper 5 Organic, and this is session 22. The topic is Chemistry of Natural Products, coming under Unit 3, and the subtitle is Carbohydrates. Objectives of this session is to define ketosis along with examples, structure of fructose, two forms pyranose and furanose structures, interconversions of glucose and fructose. Ketoses are the substances having CO, keto functional group. These can be named based on the number of carbon atoms as ketotriosis, ketotetrosis, ketohexosis, and so on. Oxidation, reduction, and condensation reactions are seen here while understanding the interconversion of glucose to fructose. Ketoses are the sugars containing keto functional group. The functional group, unlike in case of aldoses, is present on C2, whereas in case of aldoses, the aldehydic functional group is present on the first carbon atom. The first and terminal carbon atoms contain primary hydroxyl group. Following are the examples: fructose, ribulose, and xylulose. Here one can notice that second carbon atom contains the keto functional group. First and terminal carbon atoms of these have primary hydroxyl group. Since fructose contains 6 carbon atoms and a keto group, it is a ketohexose. D-ribulose is a ketopentose because the functional group is ketonic and it contains 5 carbon atoms. Here we have D-erythrulose having 4 carbon atoms and keto functional group, therefore it is ketotetrose. Here are the Haworth ring structures for the ketohexose, that is fructose. This is the pyranose form, which is a 6-membered ring, and we have beta and alpha isomeric forms, whereas in nature fructose exists as a 5-membered ring, that is in the furanose form. Here we can notice it is a 5-membered ring, oxygen is the ring member, and this is the second carbon atom. If the functional OH group is on top, it is beta isomer. If it is at the bottom, then it is alpha isomer. You can see the first and the 6th carbon atoms contain primary hydroxyl groups. Let us go to the conversion of glucose to fructose. This reaction sequences show us how D-glucose is converted to D-fructose. In the first step, D-glucose, when made to react with phenylhydrazine, it forms D-glucose phenylosazone. This is an example of condensation reaction between the carbonyl group and phenylhydrazine. The condensation product D-glucose phenylosazone, upon hydrolysis, gives rise to D-glucosone. Here we can see there is hydrolysis occurring at this position. Further, when this D-glucosone is subjected to reduction using zinc in acetic acid, it forms D-fructose. This group gets reduced to CH2OH, that is primary hydroxyl group, and gets converted to D-fructose. Once again, to review, D-glucose on treatment with phenylhydrazine forms D-glucose phenylosazone as condensation product. This upon hydrolysis forms D-glucosone, which is further reduced using zinc in acetic acid to form D-fructose. In this slide, one can see how fructose is converted back to glucose. The steps involved are: first, D-fructose is reduced in presence of strong reducing agent sodium amalgam in acid medium or in alcohol, where the ketonic group is reduced to CHOH. This forms two isomeric forms. Both are alcoholic forms. One is D-sorbitol and another is D-mannitol. This reduction introduces one asymmetric carbon atom. These two alcoholic forms are oxidized in presence of nitric acid to form carboxylic acids. This isomer is D-gluconic acid and another form is D-mannonic acid. These two aldonic acids upon hydrolysis form lactones, preferably gamma lactones, where one can see the carboxyl group on the first carbon atom forms cyclic hemiacetal kind of ring formation with the fourth carbon atom. As a result, we can see gamma D gluconolactone and gamma D mannonolactone. These two lactones are reduced in presence of lithium aluminium hydride to form the aldehydic forms of both D-glucose and D-mannose. Once again, in this session, we learnt what are ketosis, which are the examples, what is pyranose and furanose, ring forms of fructose, how glucose is converted to fructose and fructose back to glucose. Coming to few multiple choice questions. The first question, as we understood, fructose is a ketohexose because it contains keto functional group and 6 carbon atoms. Pyran ring is a 6-membered ring containing oxygen as heteroatom. During the conversion of glucose to fructose, glucose is allowed to react with excess of phenylhydrazine to form D-glucose phenylosazone. In this question, we can see sorbitol and mannitol are formed during the conversion of fructose to glucose when fructose is reduced with sodium amalgam in alcohol. The last question, which among the following are formed when aldonic acids are treated with dilute HCl during the conversion of fructose to glucose? The answer is gamma lactones. Thank you.